The gray days of winter, shouts for bright pastel flowers, sunshine colors to brighten your day. In this arrangement, foam-free and fabulous, it's easy. The materials, everything from florabundance.com. I started with some amazing garden roses. This is Leonora. See how beautifully it opens? And then lush and fabulous ranunculus in so many variations of that peachy and lemon hue. The mechanics, working with a curly willow armature, weaving it in the bottom, but letting it come up outside of the container, just taking individual branches of willow and then winding them back on themselves, pulling it down, winding, curling, and then using bind wire to secure it together. When I put it into the vessel, I did anchor it using clear waterproof tape to make sure that it won't pop out. As trends are moving away from foliage and more to flowers, instead of using greens as the base, doing that bottom layer using chrysanthemums. You can see this beautiful green from Florabundance is fabulous. Just cutting it down, removing the foliage that would be below the water line, and then placing that down in low, weaving it into the base of the arrangement. To bring in a deeper green, the green trick carnation. Again, tucking it very low, down in, and then weaving everything towards a central binding point so that all of it will create a base to support the beautiful flowers. To enhance the roses and ranunculus, some soft sweet peas. They're so fragrant and wonderful. Weaving them in, letting them extend outward. The soft butter yellow accents and drapes, gives nice movement to the arrangement. And then coming back with the roses, removing foliage that's going to be below the water line so that you can set it in gracefully, weaving it underneath, in between. Grouping a couple together, and then continuing on around so you get a full round arrangement. Bring it to the back side, feeding it in, finding the perfect spot. Then coming back with the ranunculus. You can divide them using the bud and the bloom so that you get the beauty of each, letting them be a little bit longer so it comes over the top of the green, then enhancing with the bud, and repeating, continuing on with that radial binding point. As a final touch, just a few of the eyelash clematis, letting them be taller, coming out over the top, adding a little bit of delicacy to the arrangement, finding the perfect spot to feed in, down into the water reservoir. Let it be secure, and then adding a few more, just for a bit of delicate movement all the way around. The recipe, everything from florabundance.com. I started with a full bunch of curly willow that I tucked down to create the armature, then filled in with 3 stems of the chrysanthemums, spray variety in this lovely green, then 5 stems of the green trick dianthus. Moving on to the sweet peas, 7 stems, the buttery yellow. Ranunculus, 7 stems, peach and yellow. And then 7 stems of the Leonora garden rose. So wonderful. Then finally, 5 stems of the eyelash clematis to finish it off. Designing in the more casual style, perfect. You'll find more creative inspiration on the website, flowerschool.com. If you have questions, you can reach us through there. But now it's your turn. Find some fabulous flowers. Create a foam-free arrangement. Take a picture, post it on social media, and hashtag Floral Design Institute. That way we all can see what you do as you do something you love.